perkele. This thing, call it free association. It's some psychologist once, I don't know what the fuck is this, but you gotta go somewhere to express yourself and talk just shit about things, and this is green jacket and stuff. You gotta use your voice, you gotta express yourself to really open up your brain. I am my whole brain. I am fucking brain. I am rock. I am whatever the fuck I wanna be. Or whatever the fuck I am. I am whatever the fuck. Just go out there and just say whatever the fuck comes to your mind. It will open up your brain. It will open up new kinds of thoughts to come. No, not somehow low level thoughts that you are on the whole day dwelling on the low level thoughts. Once you do this long enough, you will fucking challenge yourself, and you will get pressurized. You will get to use your creative force. You will connect the source. You will fucking be fucking awesome, at least inside. Maybe not some woo, but who cares? You can just. This is fucking tree, and it was. I don't know if you see it, but this is tree. It came from the universe, swirling down to this earth maybe million years ago, and it grew here for like 50 years or 20 years, I don't know, but just do this and you will fucking find new things about yourself, and just speak anything that comes to your mind. Fuck. It will at start. It might be like little boring and little slow, but it will get easier. Once you get to do it, you will gain energy from it. And I am fully sober, no drugs at all.